Are you trying to record a call on your iPhone without using third-party apps? This guide will show you 2 easy methods to record calls without downloading any extra apps. So let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure to check iOS 18.1 or later. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Now update your iPhone. Step 2. Enable call recording on Setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, find out Phone apps, scroll down, find out call recording option. Make sure to turn this feature on to your iPhone. Now start a phone call. When the receiver receives the call, you can see the screen recording icon. Tap on this. This will let the user know that you are recording calls. From now on, your call will start to record. These are the simple ways to record calls without any apps using features already built in your iPhone. Just remember to notify the other person before recording to stay within legal boundaries. Thanks for watching.